procurement ng medicines for grasma?
Well, so far, okay naman. I think very soon meron na namang procurement coming up. And I think naiayos naman na nila na kasi we were just fixing the hiccups in the beginning kasi syempre bago ako tapos there was a time na nagkaroon ng moratorium because I could not I wanted to be on top of everything. So since na-lift yung moratorium, there was a moratorium but never on the medicines or anything like that. So at this point, so far, clear naman, medyo maayos naman. And then I said, every time may delivery, meron po tayong inspection team na chine-check na ganun talaga yung na i-deliver para ayos yung